This is the PC stand for our tower we got from Amazon. And with this, you can move the tower around without any lifting. Let me show you how easy it is to put it together. So you install the wheels first. Then take the two metal bars and connect the two parts.
Of course, you have to cut this.
And the width is easily adjustable from 7.9 inches to 11 inches. And this stand holds up to about 50 pounds. So you can move other things around if you need it as well. Maybe like a water bottle or so. Make sure that the object is in the middle of the stand so it's balanced. Looks good. This stand is easy to move around, and for the price, definitely a keeper.